Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, big news for Samsung users, especially for Galaxy FE models. Samsung has finally made One UI 8.5 beta program page live for Samsung Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z6 series, and also Galaxy S24 FE, and also guys, Galaxy S25 FE. And this is not just a big news. Big news is Samsung S24 FE has already started receiving One UI 8.5 beta 1. Yes, guys, Samsung S24 FE and S25 FE has also received One UI 8.5 beta. So this is the first time that Samsung is giving beta to FE models. I'm very happy. I think all the users who are using FE models, they are also happy. So the update size of One UI 8.5 beta 1 for S24 FE is around 4 GB, and you can see it's come with the March security page update. Also, S25 FE has also started receiving One UI 8.5 beta 1, and the update size for beta 1 for S25 FE is 3500 MB, as you can see, and it's also come with March security page update. So I'm not talking about changelog in this video. I'm just giving you the good news that S24 FE and S25 FE has already started receiving One UI 8.5 beta, and also Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, Galaxy S24 Ultra, and Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 will also receive One UI 8.5 beta 1. So I think today or tomorrow. But the big good news is, guys, Samsung S24 FE and S25 FE has already started receiving One UI 8.5 beta. So guys, enjoy the beta on S24 FE and S25 FE, and let me know if you have already installed the beta. Let me know in the comment like how it's performing. Okay, please let me know in the comment. So I just wanted to share this good news to you guys. Okay, if there is more news coming, I will definitely make a video and inform you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy the beta first time in FE models. Good job, Samsung.